Claude projects are basically your way of giving each idea its own home. Instead of bouncing between random chats and losing track of what belongs where, a project lets you group everything around one theme so Claude always knows what you're working on. It's like creating a dedicated room for a single topic, and every conversation inside that room stays connected. Let's say I'm planning a full rebrand for a small business. I'll create a project called Brand Refresh Studio. Once it opens, I can drop in anything that matters: mood boards, copy drafts, brand guidelines, even old marketing materials. Claude treats those files as part of the environment, so anytime I ask a question, it can draw from everything I've added, without me having to re-upload or re-explain anything. Then there's the instruction panel. This is where you define the personality and expectations for this specific project. Maybe you want Claude to act like a creative director, or maybe you want it to write in a clean, minimalist tone. Whatever rules you set here become the default behavior for every chat inside the project. You don't have to repeat yourself. Claude automatically follows the style you've defined. Now the fun part. Once the project is set up, every new chat starts with full awareness of your files and your instructions. If I ask, create a tagline that matches the brand direction in my notes, Claude already understands the tone, the audience, and the materials I uploaded. It feels less like starting a new conversation and more like continuing an ongoing collaboration. That's the real power of Claude projects. You're not just chatting, you're building a focused environment where your documents, your preferences, and your ideas all live together. And because each project stays separate, you can switch between topics without mixing anything up. It keeps your work cleaner, faster, and way more organized.